It's hard for me to say which one is the best. It's like asking me to say which of my children is the best. So they're all really good at different things, and so they have a special place in my heart, each one of them. So people in my lab work really hard, trying to understand how our cells repair DNA damage, and they spend a lot of hours here. And so, I think it's important. It's important to me that they really have some fun while they're here as well. And so for me, the whole naming thing really captures some of the fun that we have around here.